In this video I'm going to show you how to diagnose a bad wheel bearing. So my car was grinding, making all sorts of noise coming from the front passenger side tire here. So what I've done is I've just jacked up the car, just enough to get the wheel off the ground. I've already loosened a few lug nuts here, but you can actually do this before you loosen any. You just grab the wheel when it's up off the ground. You can see all the play in it there. So that bearing's pretty much shot. Okay, so I've got the wheel off. And if you grab the rotor, again you can see all the play in it right there. And that indicates a bad bearing. Alright, so this is the other side of my car. I've taken the wheel off here as well, just to check this bearing, and as you can see this one's completely solid, so it's fine. And that's an easy way to tell if your bearing's going bad. On the other side there it's pretty bad, so you won't always get that much play. A lot of times you'll just hear like a loud either a grinding noise or a loud kind of whirring noise when the bearings start to go.